Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Ed Sorrentino, also go by Zeus Trader on Discord. Today, I'll just simply be going over Tesla, showing you guys exactly what I see, how I formulate some of my plays on day trading the stock, and more importantly, a little forecast for looking forward and seeing what could potentially come in the next few days, especially with earnings around the corner. So first, let's just take a broad look at Tesla's chart on the 1 day. So as you can see, there's this pattern, this pennant pattern that Tesla really likes to consolidate in, and it happened here back in July, this past summer. Consolidated rather nicely into this pennant, and then eventually it broke out, and then that's when you want to play the calls and whatnot. And then again, it consolidated here from September all the way to November in this pennant formation, and then broke out with multiple upgrades, great news, huge buyer here, which led the rally, and now once again it looks like we have some sort of consolidation, right? But if you're following the Tesla trend, which is leg up, consolidation with a pennant, leg up, consolidation with a pennant, right? Leg up, consolidation with a pennant, we should see another leg up. Especially if you look right here, very green day, lots of buyers, great candlestick. This is very bullish, great consolidation, very bullish. Like I said, MACD converging on the, at least about to converge on the 1 day. You know, not to worry about RSI right now, especially when a high growth company like this is just rallying. So it broke out. It did. And earnings hopefully will keep the momentum going, which it should. But you know, I get a lot of questions of, well, Ed, how do you day trade this all day? What are you looking at when you're day trading? So this is just one of my broad charts, but if you look at one of my charts that I like to day trade on, you know, for an average trader, you may see a lot of noise here. What are these lines? You know, obviously this is the bottom line of the pennant or whatnot, right? I mean, you can connect the top right here if you want, but you know, this stock is not the easiest to day trade, but it really is just a stock that every day trader can make some serious money just doing their thing and day trading it. And I'll tell you why, okay? So right now this is the 1 hour. Let's take a close look at the 5 minute. All right, let's see what I see, okay? So with all my charts that I day trade, I always like to plot out each stock's resistance and support levels, because if you're a trader, you know that a stock trades in a box. It trades in boxes, right? So for example, here, this is a box, okay, or this trading range I always refer to. It's from 833 to 858. 833 to 858. You can day trade this all day long. If you just buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. Do it all day long. All day long. And you do this until you see a break. And what happens when it breaks one box? It goes to the next box, which this next box happens to be 885. And how did I get this level? Well, look back here. Wow. 885. Okay. So then it broke there. Today, I bought the calls right around here. Okay. With heavy volume. I saw this. Great volume. MACD looked great on the 5 minute. Great volume. Great upgrade, right? And I played it till this next resistance, right? And if you take a closer look, right, what happened this morning? It did seem to reject it initially at first. This is where I sold, actually. it did seem to reject it initially at first, and then it created the next leg up. I did not play this, unfortunately. I was just, at this moment, I was playing other stocks, other options. But what I am looking for is the next top, right? So there is a clear defiance of a next top here, or the next resistance of the next box, right? So now, we used to have the box of 858 to 885. Now we got a new box, 885 to 900, right? And as you can see for the rest of the day, it did come down. It did retest the lows of 2 boxes down. Crazy day to day trade this thing. Crazy day. So I did nail another trade with this. I'll show you what I did. So I sourced a lot of consolidation here, right? And one tool that always works, which I'm about to bring up for Tesla, is VWAP, right? Volume weighted average price. So I bring that up. You can see here this volume, this bright, dark, bold, orange line. Yellow line, right? It looks like it's some sort of intraday resistance, right? And the VWAP works all the time with Tesla. All the time. Every single day. I see the same exact thing. Besides the AM, in the afternoon, you get the retest of the VWAP, right? So here, right, this was clearly a buying opportunity. Clearly, clear as day, especially around 11 a.m. this morning. Great buying opportunity. But where do you sell? Okay, well, let's see. If you bought here, right, you could do the box theory, right? So you could sell here. That's a great trade. Awesome. But if you didn't sell there, right, and let's say, okay, well, maybe it may retest the next box. If you're day trading it, you got to be aware of the VWAP. The VWAP is your intraday high, or your intraday resistance and support levels for a lot of stocks, especially stocks that people like to day trade, like Tesla. There are a lot of day traders with Tesla. Everyone day trades Tesla. Everyone. Okay? And there's a reason for it, because of things like this, because it follows trading patterns, because it follows things that traders look for, like the VWAP. Okay? So what happened here today was that it consolidated, right? It rejected, okay, this VWAP, and then tested the lows of our box, right, of 858. And then again, retested the VWAP, okay, came down, didn't quite retest the lows of the box, right, but consolidated. And what this is telling me as a trader is that this is setting up for a big move. So this could have done one of two things. Either break upwards in an explosive movement, right, resulting in a nice close for the day, especially with a lot of volume coming at the close, or this could have broken down. This could have came down. Okay, and this could have retested the lows of this box, if not the next. So one thing I'm always telling my traders is that when something's consolidating, you have to be patient. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. You just have to wait, right? Because if you're trading in this part right here, no volume, right? No volume, you're gonna lose money on options. Okay, you're just gonna be wasting time trading this because there's plenty of other stocks to be trading. All right, the best thing to do in a situation like this, where you see this right here, is just to wait. It is setting up for a great move. A great move. Okay, and this move from 870 all the way to 880, right? 10 points. That's $1,000 per in the money contract. $1,000. Okay, if you buy out of the money or slightly, on the money or whatever, you could buy a few of them, make a good killing in what? This was what, 5-10 minutes? 5-10 minutes for a 10-point move, right? And all you have to do is just wait an hour or two to make $1,000 per contract in 5 to 10 minutes. I mean, as you can see, just patience. Most important thing, especially when trading. I really hope that this video helps you guys see what I see when I'm day trading all day. Volume, number one indicator. Middle VWAP or VWAP, very important for day trading. See this all the time. Consolidations, trend lines, and more importantly, price action or trading in boxes. Very important. I really hope this video helps you guys, and there will be plenty more to come. Thanks.